And with 2 pills a day, you're supporting your brain health, your eye health, your heart health, so your cardiovascular system, and your immune system. You want to help to support your immune system just a little bit more. Spirulina, 2 sprays a day, helps keep it away. Tastes good too. Did you know DHA makes up for half of the fat that keeps your eyes and your brain healthy? You know Orlo makes their algae over in Iceland in a controlled and pristine environment to make sure that there is no contaminants whatsoever, and it's 100% vegan. Good omega, but I've never been able to find one that I could actually feel the difference with. And with Orlo, just knowing that it's backed up by second and third party testing really helps.